Hey guys, you travel a lot and you're looking for an all-in-one charger. Well, I have it for you right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here it is. Let's do the unboxing. Hey, you ever go traveling and you have your phone, your AirPods, and your watch, and you don't know how to charge it? Well, I have something really cool here I'm doing an unboxing on. This is a multi-charger, so this is kind of cool. What this does basically is 3 devices in one. It's portable, it's small, it's lightweight. You take it with you, you take your own power bank and you plug it in. This is a little adapter here, so you can plug in your AirPods, you can plug in your phone, and you can charge your watch all on one stand. So let's do the unboxing and take a look at this. So if you travel and you know what I'm talking about, you always say, you know what, I want to take all those things, I don't want to take all those chargers and all those devices. Let's take a look at what this has. So, in the box, it is a small and compact, so a lot of the way here, a charger stand, which I kind of like. So it's small, it's compact, you can see it's really small. I do like that a lot. So what this does, let's take off this little sleeve here. You have to use your own power brick, just so you know, so make sure you bring your own power supply. This is just basically like an adapter, but it has the magnetic charge plate here for your Apple Watch. And what it does, it also has 2 additional, let's call these dongles that come out, and these charge 2 different devices, okay? So they do have different ratings, just so you know how to use this, okay? Also comes with an adapter. So you have a USB charger. You can just pop this adapter right on here. So they do give you the adapter, which is actually really smart. Put that back on here, and they also give you 2 little soft pads here. And what that does is you can just stack them on top of here and give you some height, so you can adjust it for your watch, different watch sizes. A smaller watch or bigger watches, maybe you need 1, maybe you need 2, maybe you don't need any. So they give you that as well. So let's just see how that works. So we're going to plug this in a second. So let's take a look at the specs real quick here. So how this works basically is that you have your charge, so you can charge your watch, which is really kind of cool. Okay, and there's 3 power modes here, or 3 power settings, not 3 power outputs. Okay, so you have 3 different powers. So you have to make sure you hook it up correctly. Don't put your phone on the wrong one, because you have to do this in a specific sequence, so you know. Okay, so let's just go over it real quick. So cable 1 is 5 volt 1 amp here. Cable 2 is 5 volt 2 amp over here, and then you have your watch, which is 5 volt 500 milliamp, which is right here. So you have to make sure you just do that correctly. So you don't want to hook up your phone on the least powerful one. You want to hook up in a certain sequence. So it's basically 1, 2, and 3, and they label it pretty much here. So this is 1A, 2. So you got 1, 2, and 3. So think of it that way. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, AirPods is always on 1. Okay, your phone would be on 2, and your watch, of course, goes on number 3. And that's easy enough. So let's just plug this in real quick. I'll show you that. I just wanted to make this unboxing for you so you can see how to use this. This is a really nice, honestly, this is a really cool device, because if you're traveling, it's just, I mean, look at this. This thing is really small, and I love that. And that's really cool. And you don't have to have a million cables. It's one cable. It's a nice management system, so I do like that very much. So, AirPods, number 1. So you just pop those in. Bam. Green light, they are charging. So that is number 1. Number 2, your phone, right? You're back in, you want to get your phone charged, you're back at your hotel or wherever you're traveling, you basically pop in your phone, like that, bam. Now you have 2 devices charging, and the phone is charging. And the last but not least, you got, you're getting into bed, you're relaxing, you got to pop in your watch into your cradle, and bam, and there it goes. So all 3 devices are actually charging right now. This is a really cool device. It's small, it's compact, it's lightweight, and it works. And those 3 things in my book gives this an A+. All right. Okay guys, hope you appreciated the unboxing. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate you tuning into your review channel as always, where I review and look at different products all the time. So this is a really cool 3-in-1 charger. I like this. I'll leave a link down below in the description box so you can pick up yours. Really cool, really small, and I like the compactness of this. This is a really cool, a really nice feature. I do like that a lot. So when you're traveling, put this in your pocket, throw this in your suitcase. It doesn't take up any space at all. It's really light, really easy to use, and that's it. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help support my channel and keeps me doing what I'm doing for you. All right, guys, as always, I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review.